I'm Dominique Woolf, food writer and founder of Wolf's Kitchen. My mum is Thai, and it was her sister, my Auntie Deng, who used to make the most incredible sauces, including a tamarind one. The first time I tasted it, I was completely blown away. I'd never had anything like it. That was the light bulb moment that led me to starting Wolf's Kitchen and rediscovering my culinary roots. Now, I've teamed up with ETG and come to Thailand to be reunited with Auntie Deng and to explore the role tamarind plays in Thai cooking. I've had steaming soups, stir-fries, spicy dips, charred skewers, punchy curries, and the freshest tropical fruits. I'm also here on a food adventure to soak up the flavours, meet local cooks, and get inspired by everything this amazing country has to offer. I've been to bustling street food markets, local eateries, and Michelin-bid restaurants, and eaten my way around a kaleidoscope of colours and flavours. I visited farm-to-table restaurants, rural cooking schools and roadside stalls. The expert local guides have been brilliant and shared their knowledge and favourite food spots with me. All the food I've had has been phenomenal. I've tried so many new things for the first time. It's hard to pick favourites, but I particularly loved the Miang Kham, a wrapped betel leaf drizzled with the most delicious sweet and tangy coconutty sauce. I've taken tuk-tuks, taxis, boats, trains and planes, and walked till I dropped, in search of some of the best food this country has to offer. It's a shame I'm not here longer, but I can't wait to come back and continue my foodie adventure.